Another type of equation is the rational equation. Let's go ahead and solve one. So here's an example. The first step is to make sure that all your denominators are factored. X minus 4 cannot be factored. X plus 2 cannot be factored further either. But x squared minus 2x minus x, let's take a look. That is a trinomial with a leading coefficient 1 here. So we separate into x and x. We factor. And then we need a negative 8. And at the same time, the numbers that we're looking for have to add up to negative 2. And 9 out of 10 times you can look at the two factors that you already have. And indeed, that is actually what we get here as well. So on the right-hand side, our factors are x minus 4 and x plus 2. Now, we have to multiply this rational equation because we want to clear the denominator by the LCD. And the LCD in this case is x minus 4 times x plus 2. So we're multiplying both sides by x minus 4 and x plus 2. X minus 4 and x plus 2. The reason why we do this is we want to clear the denominator. You can see if we multiply the x minus 4 here, reduce, and what we have left is 2x times x plus 2. If we do to the second term, we're reducing the x plus 2, and we are left with 3 times x minus 4 equals, and of course on the right hand side, how nice is that? We can just go ahead and reduce the two binomials. So that means all we have left, they reduce to 1, and then we have left x squared plus 14. Okay, let's see what's going on. 2x times x is 2x squared. We're going to distribute here. Plus 4x. We distribute the negative 3, so minus 3x plus 12 equals x squared plus 14. It looks like we have some kind of quadratic action going on. Let's set it equal to 0 and see what happens. Minus x squared. Combine like terms, and we're also subtracting a 14 and bring it to the left-hand side. 2x squared minus x squared, x squared. Combine like terms, 4x minus 3x is, and let me write 1x, and 12 minus 14 is a negative 2, and that we set equal to 0. Okay. We have a trinomial. How do we solve this trinomial? Let's see if we can factor it. If you cannot factor it, you have to use quadratic formula. So let's see if we can factor this. Let's hope we can factor it. X squared, x here, x there. Which two numbers multiply to negative 2 and add to positive 1? That would be a positive 2 times a negative 1. Yeah, we can factor it. Plus 2 minus 1 equals 0. Let me write over here. We said each factor equal to 0. X minus 1 equals 0. We bring a minus 2 to the other side. X is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to 1. You're not done yet because you have to check and make sure that your denominator is not 0. So now would be a good time to check. And if you check, you can see here we have 3 over x plus 2. If you plug in a negative 2 for x, you get 3 over 0. So guess what? X equals negative 2 does not work. So this is not a solution. The only solution that works here is x equals 1. And you can check this by replacing all of your x's with 1. That's it. That's how you solve a rational equation.